Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This video is made especially for Oppo Reno 15 Pro Max users. Today we will talk about camera not working problem if your camera is not opening or not working properly. So if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin today's video.